Let me show you some of the secret codes that we can enter on Xiaomi 17. So first of all, we need to open the phone app in order to be able to use those secret codes. This is where we can enter them, and we need to switch to the keypad. Now over here, let's start with the first code, and that is *#06#. This allows you to open the device information. To be exact, we can find the IMEI numbers, the ICC ID, and also the serial number here at the bottom. Besides that, we have a longer code, or actually a bunch of different longer codes. For example, most of them now are going to begin like this: *##. Then we enter a certain number, like in this case we're gonna use 225, and then we enter the hash *#*. And there we go. In this case, we can open the menu with the calendar information. Now, I'm not sure exactly what it is used for, but we can see how many events we have in our family, holidays in your country, and also all the events that are created in on your Google account. So then we can use a similar code. So once again, *##. Then we're gonna use 426, and we need to enter the hash *##. There we go. This opens the FCM diagnostic menu. Over here, we should be able to find like a server, host, and port, and the time that we have been connected to. We can tap on events in order to find a bunch of different information in here. There we go. Now let's go back. Another code is 4636. Of course, we start the code the same way and end it the same way, just like before. And this code allows you to open the phone and Wi-Fi connection test menu. Over here we can go to phone information number 1 in order to find the information about SIM number 1. There is also the information about SIM number 2 and the Wi-Fi information in here as well. And then we can enter 0 4 times, just like that. And then we end it just like before. And this opens the device info, where unfortunately in many cases we have unknown information for some reason, but some of the information is provided, like for example the Android version, the IMSI number, IMEI numbers once again, and ICC ID. Alright, another code is 726633. There we go. And this one allows you to enable or disable 5G SA carrier check. Of course, if you want to revert the change, you will have to enter exactly the same code again. There we go. Now, we can access the CIT menu, which is something like a test menu where we can perform a bunch of different tests, hardware tests. Like for example, we can test touch sensors, we can test the display, we can check if any of these speakers work correctly. We can also do the headset test. We have IP information. The AP scan information of the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi address as well. We have the accelerometer, sorry about that. We have the gyroscope, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we can test a bunch of different things. Even the USB test is here, or the charger test. So if you think that there is something wrong, something doesn't work on your phone, then this menu is going to be great in order to test that theory, in order to find out if that is actually the case. And last but not least, we can also use 6485, and this allows you to open the information about charging and battery. Now, I'm not sure what these codes actually mean, what they do, but I'm sure it might be important for some people who, for example, fix batteries maybe. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.